some shoulder lamb chops, and they were already cleaned and ready to be seasoned. Okay, I already have together a seasoning that I made. Some thyme, some black pepper, basil leaves, some salt, and here it is, all mixed in. I already have it together. Turn it to both sides. And I did pat dry the lamb chops. Okay. I actually have some sunflower oil here that I'm going to pour over top of the lamb chops. Okay, I was waiting till my Bella pan got nice and hot. I set it at 400 degrees, and I'm going to put some sunflower oil in here as well. Okay. The lamb was added. You hear that sizzle? That pot was nice and hot. I have some onions here already cut, some garlic cloves, which I am about to just turn it this way. Smash it. Both of them. Make sure they're smashed. And I'm going to put them in there whole. And the onions. The butter is going to go on a little later. Yeah, I added the garlic whole and the onions. And I'm going to continue to turn it every once in a while. Alright, I'm about to turn this over. Look at that. Nice browning. I'm going to turn my fire down, my heat down to about 350. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. Alright guys, now I'm going to add my butter to it. Let that melt in there. Excuse me. Add a little red wine to it. And I have a zip sauce that I made, homemade, that I'm going to add to it. Not much. And flip them again. Cover them back up and let them cook. Alright, I'm going to add some sauce to the top of this. I just turned them again. Look at that browning. Come on through. Look at it.